We know functions are a group of statements that perform a specific task. So advantages of using functions in C are avoid repetition of codes, reduces program size, modifying a program becomes easier, reduces chances of error, dividing a complex problem into simpler ones. For understanding this, we can consider a program that consists of a group of statements or a block of code 10 times. This block of code contains 100 lines of code. So in total, the program contains 10 times 100, that is equal to 1000 lines. If we were using the functions, that is if we implement the block of code inside the function, then we could just call this function 10 times. That is 100 lines of code plus 10 calling statements. That is in total there will be only 110 lines in this program. So we could reduce the program size, and also by using this function we could avoid the repetition of codes inside the program. Considering the same example, if we want to make a change in the block of code, that is some modification, where if there was no function, then we need to make the change 10 times in the program. If there was function, then we just need to make the change in the block of code, that is in the function. Similarly, if there was an error in the program, that is in the block of code, then there occurs 10 errors. If we implemented this in the function, then it will be just one error. So it also reduces the chances of error. The last advantage is that using function we can divide a complex problem into multiple simpler ones. For example, if we consider the program of calculator, it has a lot of functionalities: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. If we consider this as a single program, it will be a complex one. If we divide them into different functionalities, that is, for each functionality there is different functions, that is for addition function, subtraction function, multiplication function, division function, etc., then it will be a more simpler program.